Hello and welcome along to this week's Cloud News, where once again I'll be pulling some interesting items from my mailbox and sharing them with you. Zenith Infotech are seeing continued and significant growth in the adoption of their cloud services. SmartStyle is an infrastructure as a service solution offering desktop and server virtualization, and MirrorCloud is about business continuity and data restoration using that smart cloud platform. Of interest here is Zenith's choice of virtualization solution. They've chosen to use VirtualBox, which is a Type 2 or hosted hypervisor, instead of something like Hyper-V, which sits directly on the hardware, known as a Type 1 hypervisor. The benefits of using a Type 2 solution are that you can use pretty much any hardware without the requirement of something like Intel's VTX or AMD V. Personally, I'm a bit skeptical of the long-term use of hosted hypervisors like this. It doesn't really deliver the full power of the platform, but VirtualBox does support the OVT format, so migrations should be relatively painless. Details of the Zenith solution can be found at zenithinfotech.com. Tech Data have announced a TD Cloud Academy solution for Microsoft, a Microsoft Cloud Academy to support resellers in gaining more cloud business. Interestingly, you have to align yourself with Tech Data as the distributor of choice with Microsoft to be eligible for this, and I'm sure there's some reward in there somewhere for Tech Data. Now, I'm certain that there are or will be others offering VAR type training, but this is the first I've seen, so you can find more info over at techdata.com on that. Private platform as a service. Cumulogic, which has been built by former Sun folks, have released a beta of their platform for running Java applications. The platform as a service solution runs on top of cloud infrastructures such as Cloud.com, Eucalyptus and VMware, and the team are currently working on compatibility with OpenStack too. And there's no news on whether Hyper-V's support is going to be coming though. Now, platform as a service gets less press than SaaS or infrastructure as a service at the moment, but I believe that the future for platform is actually quite strong. And this offering from Cumulogic demonstrates that they do too. If you've got more interest in platform as a service for Java, head over to cumulogic.com. HTC is not a name I thought I'd be including in Cloud News, but the mobile hardware manufacturer is extending its reach with the purchase of Seattle-based Dashwire, who build software for cross-platform content synchronization. This is a pretty strong strategic move for HTC as it provides them with a set of patents independent from those held by other phone system vendors, including Microsoft. It also adds to the value add of the HTC platform for its customers, as the Dashwire services will be added to the htsense.com portfolio. With Samsung currently getting a lot of heat from Apple, HTC seems to be taking a very sound strategic approach towards its mobile cloud future. Finally, as we're all banging on about Office 365 at the moment, I found it interesting to get a little bit of background information about the Microsoft data centers and how they've evolved over the years. The Microsoft GFS, that's the Global Foundation Services team, have some really cool videos, and you know what? It's worth getting some background about exactly how Microsoft deliver their online services. Some good reference points in there. For this week, that's it from me. Clear skies.